I found some new Hot Wheels from J-Case and K-Case that I didn't have. Here's the first one. This looks amazing. We'll look at all the details in a little bit. Let's see what else I got. Mustang. This one's bouncing around in the card. 65 Mustang 2+2 in green. Wow. Oh my God, so happy to get these now. Guys, new finds are always exciting. Pontiac GTO in the red. Looking so cool. Let's get them out of the package. Oh yeah, beautiful. It's gonna be awesome to have all these now in the collection. McLaren F1. Yeah, the F1 looking good in orange. Loving it. Wow, so awesome. Oh yeah. So excited, guys. How's it going, guys? How's everything going in your collecting world? Leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching from, what city, what country, what state, and how many cars do you have? I'm wondering how big your collections are. And what cars do you like to collect, or do you just buy all of them? Lamborghini. Wow. Great finds. And I found a few the other day, so I'm adding all these to that collection that I started opening the other day. This is awesome. All right, let's see. Let's set them up. Let's check out the Nissan first. Got all these cards. This is cool. Cool looking car. I love the blue color. This one is Hot Wheels Dream Garage. LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT RR version 2. Wow, that's a long name. Let's look at all the details. Let's park these over here too. Let's get them all organized. Really nice cars, guys. Really nice Hot Wheels today. Let's put these two in front. Oh wow, they're driving off. Let's park them right there. There we go. Here's the top view. Wow, looks amazing. This is that really nice blue translucent color. I love this paint they've been using on a lot of the new castings in the last probably 2 years or maybe more. I don't know, but just remember having a lot of new ones in the last 2 years in these translucent colors, which look amazing. The Liberty Walk livery is amazing as well. It looks so good. Blacked out wheels. We do have the little mirrors on the side. They're actually, you know, pretty big. And a nice wing in the back. No extra colors back here, but look at all the details casted in there. Little spot for the license plate. Two-door car. The handles are painted over in blue. We do have that big giant Hot Wheels logo on the door. It looks great. Liberty Walk Performance. And it has the LB Liberty Walk right there. More details in the front. Badges. We have the lenses on the headlights. By the way, this is a right side drive. You can see that steering wheel right there on the right. This is a beauty. I love it. This is such a nice looking Hot Wheels. Looks amazing. Let's check out the base real quick. You can see it's pretty simple. Liberty LB Silhouette Works. Liberty Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT-R double R version 2. Copyright is 2020 Mattel. R13 stamped right there on the base, and a pretty simple base. It looks like this might be the exhaust. These 4 pipes here, 2 and 2. Really awesome. I love it. Let's check out this Mustang. Wow, look at that top view with the racing stripes coming all the way across. The hood, the roof, the back here. Man, it looks great. The chrome 5 spokes. Hot Wheels logo all the way on the back fender. Great detail on this 2+2. Here's the bottom or the base. 65 Mustang Fastback. Look at the lines on the Mustang. Do have a little scoop here on the top. This one is a left side drive, no mirrors on the side. We do have the handles painted over in like a silver color with a little locking keyhole there. Has like a black stripe coming across the door. And then we do have these white stripes on the bottom. It looks like this is the exhaust right there. Yeah, you can see the exhaust coming right there, and bam. What a beautiful Mustang in this green. It looks great. Front view. Look at the little locks on the hood there. And then behind the hood, there's the vents right there by the glass. No windshield wipers on this one. We do have the pony right there on the front fender. That looks awesome. And those stripes on the bottom, just great combo. Here's the pony on this side as well. Nice dark interior with a really tall bucket seats. Another beauty. I love it. Really good looking Mustang right there. Let's check out the Lambo. Nice Lamborghini. Looks like a Huracan Coupe. It's also an LB Works. Copyright 2020. A pretty simple looking base. 2 pipes on each side on the back. A little spot for the license plate. No painted in or colored tampoed lights. All just white out back there. And we do have a big, nice wing back here, or tail. Little fin. Looks really cool. There's the engine. All glass up here and up here. This one is a right side drive. So right side driver. No mirrors on the side for this Lamborghini. There's the Liberty Walk name right there. Got a little dirt on the wheel. And then the Lamborghini name, LB Performance, Hot Wheels. A couple of black stripes there on the door. Of course, it's only a 2-door car. Blacked out wheels, looks like 10 or 12 spokes. Nice lights in the front, a beautiful badge for Lamborghini. Wow, so nice. We do have a nice spoiler down here. Looks great. Wow, really nice lines on this car. Just amazing. Just amazing. It looks great. So nice. All right, cool. Let's check out the GTO. I do have this one in orange. I have a blue one. Check out the parachute back here. The wheelie bar. Gray wheels, 5 spokes. The exhaust is right in the front. Look at that. Bam, right there. Right in front of the door. Left side drive, no mirrors on the side. We do have the 2 big scoops right there. And check it out. Really skinny wheels in the front. Look at that. Look at that. Nice dragster style, right? Big fat tires in the back, little skinny wheels in the front. Awesome. Black interior. It's got a cage back here. Little tail. Pontiac. Nice name right there on the side. I love the lightning, the black and silver lightning there. Or maybe like a, kind of like a fire or something showing. That looks great. Some really nice tampo work here on the side. Really, really cool. I love it. Looks really cool. Great looking car. Pontiac GTO. And these things drive so nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's see how he looks next to that Liberty Walk Nissan silhouette. Did I get that right? Yeah. Liberty Walk silhouette Nissan. Just great looking Hot Wheels, really. Really nice to have these. It's really nice to finally get these. And there's that Mustang. Wow, they look so cool. Put them all the way back there. And check this out. What a nice color for this McLaren F1. This one has a really plain base as well. Nice chrome 5 spokes. Really sleek. Beautiful, beautiful back end here that has a really nice look with all the colors that they added there. The grille and the lights. Got the pipes on the bottom. It just looks great. This must be a pain to see back with this in the way back here. Never driven one of these. This has the seat right in the middle. It's like a one-seater right there in the middle. It has like 2 seats on the sides, I think. And then you see the steering wheel right there, right in the middle. Big giant wiper. Just one big giant wiper right there. These tampo lights look pretty good. Really amazing. Very, very cool. This is a nice one. Very nice. Great Hot Wheels. Another cool find. Check this out, guys. This is so awesome. This one is a 40 Ford pickup. There's the card. It looks amazing. 1 of 10 in the Hot Wheels drag strip series. I love that. Check out that little symbol they have there for the drag strip series. We're going to have 10 of these. This is so cool. 10 dragsters in the series. Look at this. These bars, rollover bars. Nice wheelie bar back here. There it is, 40 Ford pickup. Pretty plain base. Looks like we have some details here for exhaust. Really nice scoop up here. Oh man, we're lacking a lot of colors in the front. The grille's not painted in, or the headlights. You do have gold wheels on this one. 5 spokes in gold. Comp cams. And some other stuff there. We have the Hot Wheels logo. A couple of stripes in black and white. Looks like a big Z. Kind of like a lightning or something. And this is plastic. This red part right here. The interior is also red. I don't even see a steering wheel. Oh, I think there it is on the left. All the way down there. Small little steering wheel. You can see the gear shifter in there. There's only glass right here in the front. Nothing on the sides. Nothing back here. There's the parachute. Oh, I love the checkered flag right here. With that stripe. That looks pretty cool. That looks really cool. There we go. See the checkered flag up here as well. Man, this one's a really nice looking Hot Wheels. So cool. I love the card too. 1 of 10 in this series. Look how much nicer it would have looked if we would have the black inside there. And the grille in black and that stripe down the middle. And the headlights. Yeah, that's what we need to add a little more life to this one. As a matter of fact, you can also see it had mirrors there and kind of like some trim that's missing. And the handles are painted over in silver there. Wow. Nice. Here's the card for, excuse me, the Lamborghini. Here's the, I haven't shown you the card. Lamborghini Huracan Coupe. Also an LB Works car. And most of these are KKs. KKs for the Lambo from the Exotic series. Hot Wheels Exotics. This one's another KKs for the Ford 40 Ford pickup truck. This one's also a K case, the Mustang. There's the K right there at the end. K case for 2022, 65 Mustang 2+2. This one's a K case as well. And then the GTO, 2006 Pontiac GTO. Also a K case. And then the only J case in this batch that I found was the Nissan 35 GT-R. That's the only J case car I got. The others are all K case. So they're the graphics and factory fresh series for the McLaren. The Mustang is from Muscle Mania. There's a picture. The GTO is from the Hot Wheels drag strip. So we got 2 of these already. This one and this one from the drag strip series with the silver stripe on the side and the little checkers for the flag. Just awesome. I love that. And then another, the exotic series for the Lamborghini, which I had mentioned already. And now I'm going to add these to the last few that I found. This one was a K case find. In case you didn't see it, the Nissan new for 2022, now in yellow, LB Super Silhouette, which is great as well. Found this one the other day. I had shown it, but in case you didn't see it, for those who didn't see it, here it is. Get a little closer on it. Beautiful Nissan. Another Liberty Work car. I also found the Knight Rider car, which is a concept Hot Wheels kit. I found this one, showed it in the last video, new for 2022. And I had opened it already. But these are K-Case cars. Let me just double check, make sure. Yeah, these 2 are K-Case cars. And so is this Toyota Tacoma in red. It's looking amazing. First time it came out in blue at the beginning of the year. They're already recoloring the new for 2022 models. So here it is in red. And also now in red, which was white before, the Pontiac Firebird 1970. Another new for 2022 model. And this one is J case. Okay, so this one is a J case. So around town, my Walmarts have been getting J and K case this week. So maybe for this weekend they'll put out some more and I can catch up. This one's one of the Legends Tour winners right here. Legends Tour winner. This car right here. So cool. So I have the white one. This one came out in white at the beginning of the year. All these in front are new for 2022 if you hadn't seen them before. And the ones in the back are just recolors. Now all these, this one's new, like just black. I haven't seen it. First time I see it. So this one just came out. But these 3 are new for 22 as well, but recolored. So this one was out in white. This one was out in blue. And this one was out in white. And then all these back here are recolors. They've been out in other colors, I believe. And let me ask you to click on one of these videos I'm going to put up here on the screen, up here on that side. If you want to continue checking out some of my collection and hang out with me for a little bit more, check out one of those videos. Just click on it. It'll take you to it. And on this side over here, I should say like this. On this side, I'll put my picture. You can click on it if you want to subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss out. I'm always showing cars. I have tons of videos of cars from my collection. And I enjoy showing you all the new finds I get and showing you some cars from my collection, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.